grandson. You got to get him straight.
Yeah, he's a little wild.
Yeah, he wild.
Yeah, he's
Wow.
Yeah, you can say that. You can take it home.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Good. Mom bring him this morning early because she goes to work early.
What you asking for me?
You get it straight.
Yeah. I keep him straight when he
coming.
comes to my house. And them kids don't
All right, say I'm a holler, man. I'm out here in these mean streets.
I'm a holler.
He don't listen.
For the rest of them.
Hey, look. Watch this.
Back up.
You don't go to school in style, okay? Just wait. Wait for the ball. Go in line.
Hey, son. Look at me. When you get up there, I want you to turn around. I'm going to take a picture of you. You hear me?